In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video backgrounds for funnels and websites in GoHighLevel. This feature can really enhance the visual appeal of your pages, making them more engaging for your visitors. So let's get started on this step-by-step journey to elevate your website and funnel experience. First, you'll want to head over to the GoHighLevel dashboard. From here, we're going to make our way to the Funnels section. It's located in the main navigation menu, and once you click on it, you'll see a list of your existing funnels. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. I'll guide you through creating a new one. Next, locate and click on the button that says New Funnel. This will initiate the creation process. By doing so, you're setting the stage for customizing your funnel with a vibrant video background. After clicking, you'll be prompted to give your new funnel a name. Try choosing something that aligns with your overall theme or purpose for easy identification later. Once you've named your funnel, click on highlighting its selection, then proceed by clicking Continue. This confirms your choice and prepares the builder environment for further customization. Now you're ready to add the elements that will comprise your funnel page. After you've accessed the funnel builder, click on Choose to select a template or start from scratch. This step is all about setting up the bones of your funnel. So think of the overall flow and design you'd like before entering the editing phase. Once your funnel template is loaded, click on Edit so you can start customizing it. Now this part is crucial. From within the page editor, you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your funnel. What we're focused on now is the video element, so locate that section. Now comes the moment to actually add the video background. To do this, click on the Video section. A new menu will appear, offering different options for incorporating your media content. Next, let's move to uploading your video. Click on Highlight to make the video area active, and then click on Upload. This option allows you to bring your own video file into the platform. Select the video you want to use from your computer. Make sure it's high quality and aligns with your brand message. After your video is uploaded, highlight it again and click Insert Media. Your selection will now be applied as the background of your funnel page. You should see it come to life in the editor. A dynamic background is now part of your funnel's design. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a video background to your funnels and websites using GoHighLevel, ensuring an engaging visual experience for your audience. Keep experimenting with different videos and designs to find what best suits your brand and keeps your visitors coming back for more. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or leave